For this lesson, we're going to be solving for x using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So we're going to go ahead and solve for x here. We have negative 8 plus or minus the square root of 8 squared, which is 64, minus 4 times 2 is 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. All over 2 times 2, which is 4. Now 64 plus 8 is going to be 52. So x equals negative 8 plus or minus square root, not 52, 72, all divided by 4. So we're going to take the calculator because they want us to put our answer rounded to the nearest hundredth. We're going to use our calculator. We'll do a negative 8, and then we're going to add the square root of 72. We'll get our answer, and then we'll divide by 4. So our answer is 0.12. So we'll go ahead and type in our 0.12. Put in our comma, and then we're going to go ahead and type in negative 8 minus the square root of 72. We'll get our answer, and then we're going to divide by 4, and we get a negative 4.12. So we'll type in negative 4.12. So I think that looks good. Go ahead and check. There we go. We'll go ahead and do one more, see if we can do this part. Oh, so sometimes we're going to have to solve, get our quadratic equation all on the left side and 0 on the right. So we're going to add 4x and subtract 1 to both sides. See, add 4x and subtract 1. So we have 6x squared plus 4x minus 1. So a is 6, b is 4, and c is negative 1. So negative b is negative 4 plus or minus 4 squared is 16, and 4 times 6 is 24 times negative 1 is negative 24. So we're going to add those together, and 2 times 6 is 12. Wait, did I do that right? So b squared 16 minus, and here's our negative, so it's going to be plus 4 times 6 is 24 times, nope, no, yeah, 4 times 6, 24 times negative 1 is 24, okay, all over 12. So 16 plus 24 is 40. So we have negative 4 plus or minus square root of 40 divided by 12. So we're going to take our calculator and we're going to do negative 4 plus the square root of 40. We'll get our answer, divide by 12. And we're supposed to round nearest 100. So 0.19. And we'll do it again, but this time we're going to do negative 4. Oopsies, got to clear it. Negative 4 minus the square root of 40. Get our answer and divide by 12. This will be a negative 0.19. Ooh, that turned out really. Oopsies, it's not. There we go. Negative 0.19. All right, let's see if that, okay, one of my solutions is incorrect. Okay, this happens quite often to me. So negative 4 plus the square root of 40 divided by 12, 0.19, got that one. And then we did negative 4 minus the square root of 40. Whoopsies, I didn't do square root. How do you go back? There we go, minus the square root of 40, get an answer, divided by 12. Oh, wow, that one's like totally different. So we want to change this to negative 0.86. Wonder what I typed in before. I'm going to have to recheck that. Rewatch the video. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.